Tell me what you know about that. Tell me what you know about that.
Yeah, what's happening, man? Happy 4th of July to everybody out, man. That ain't y'all quick, man. Put it down for everybody, man. Close the door. It's loud. Close the door. Alright, close the door. Okay, I'm fit too. Close the door. Yeah, man. That's that loud. She smelled that loud right there, man. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. No.
No, I'm serious. I don't be in my car. That shit smell like that. Then what? Roll the wall down.
You don't know about that. You don't know about it. You don't know about it. You don't know about it. Tell me what you know about that. You don't know.
Gotcha, man. Stuck on my guys.
You don't know.
You know what I mean, man? Y'all quick, man. We out here, man. Fuck any hater. Fuck all the haters, man. Where your feelings, man? You ain't even recording, man. I'm that nigga. I'm gonna get money to the day I motherfucker die, nigga. D.I.E. nigga. Young Quick, stuck on money gang. I repeat, Young Quick, stuck on money gang. Shout out to my nigga Don Richie and everybody else. You feel me? I'm gonna keep shit 100. Living for the 4th of July. Yours, I just press the windows. Say what you know about.
Them boys ain't on no that. Them niggas don't know about that. Them boys don't know about that. Hey, you don't know about it. You don't know about it. You don't know about it. Tell me what you know about that. You don't know nothing. You don't know nothing. You don't know nothing. Tell me what you know about that.
I get my Gucci. It's through some time. You can say I'm feeling myself. I'm all in the field.
It's smoking loud today. It's for the YouTube. Anybody else that's watching. Fuck any hater. You get paper. This is my cousin Paradise right here, man. I'm lame. I gotta be lame because it's putting on. I'm a rapper, G. You forgot? I'm smoking loud. I'm sipping. She's sipping on 1800. Yes. We're right. How are you? You feel me? If I'm lame, then you lame for taking all them pictures for free. I don't know how. Huh? Oh, shit, look. We on one. Young Quick, stuck on money game. Niggas been waiting. The mixtape, the green print is coming soon. You know what I mean? We do this. There you go. That's loud. She said you smell it in the trunk. Wow. Kush. Yeah, Kush. Y'all need to step your veggies up. Kush. Get you some money. Kush. Oh, yeah. I smoke this every day. Every day. Mammy that. Mammy it on. Mammy it on. Mammy it on. Don't cut that shit.